So I have another beginning C++ example um, in play again. Actually, let's look at the play again that we looked at in the last video. You might have noted, and this is also from that same book, um, you might have noticed that we initialized again to have the value y. So remember, the single equals means assignment, so we're storing the value y here and again, and the double value is for comparison, where we're comparing again to y. But we had to set again to be y initially, so that the first time we try going through this loop, again is already set to y, so this will be true the first time through, so that we know we're going to do what's in the block at least once because we set that initial value. Depending on what kind of loops you're doing and what what you want to happen, you might have this set up so that this doesn't run at all sometimes. If this initial thing might fail. But if you want to get it to run at least once, you have to make sure that this initial condition is going to be true. There's another thing that you can do. Instead of using a while, you can use this do while setup. Let me build this. I don't know why I'm getting those squiggly lines. Sometimes that happens. All right. So the way that do while works is you have the keyword do, then your block, and then you have the keyword while and the condition here, this expression that evaluates to true or false. And the way this one works is whatever's in the do while block always gets executed the first time through. Then we check to see if the expression is true, if that while expression is true, and if it's true, we go and repeat. And we repeat as long as it's true. But because we started here with the do and then go through, the do while always gets executed at least once. So let's just run this one. So it effectively does the same thing. Yes, I want to play again, but we didn't have to initialize again to y, because we're just going through no matter what the first time, and then again gets set right here and we check it. So that's how do while works. Usually though, you mostly see people using the first one, the while loop, because what's nice about the while loop is the conditions right up there at the top, and it's easy to see. So most of the time, most of the programs you see, you'll see the while loop up top. But this is just a good one to know, and if you ever run across it, then you know what it is.